Hello everyone, so in this video I will be showing you how to make your Instagram stories longer than 15 seconds. So the first thing we need to do is simply go to Instagram, and once we're here, take note that the max time for photos and pictures is 15 seconds. So you cannot make it longer than that unless you add a second story or third one. So if you want to make your videos longer, you can just directly upload longer videos to Instagram, or you can just hold down the shutter button and make it longer than 15 seconds. So if you hold this down, as you can see, it takes a long time to reach full circle, and that is obviously longer than 15 seconds. And as you can see, you can also cut it here if it is longer. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.